Do you ever struggle to know how to respond when you're on a discovery call and the client is like, yeah, that's not really in our budget? Super frustrating, right? Nobody loves getting lowballed. And sometimes you're just so caught off guard that you're like, oh, okay, and you give in. Don't do that. Here's what you can do instead. It's okay to say no. It's okay to say, I'm sorry, I can't do it for that price. I'm happy to send you over an amended proposal that includes fewer services, but the results I can get for clients make it worth the investment. And then you wait. Two things is going to happen. Either they will say, okay, you're right, let's do it. Because they will admire your confidence and they will recognize that you know what you're talking about, and they want that kind of service provider doing their work for them. Or they'll take you up on the offer to adjust the proposal. And that works too. Now there is a third option. They might still say no. And you know what? That's okay. They can say no. Just like you can say, okay, have a great day. Let me know if anything changes. And you can sleep good at night knowing that you're not going to be providing too much for too little and shorting your other clients, your family, your personal time, your peace of mind by taking on a project that you're getting paid too little for. Now, they may also throw in a little zinger trying to get you to change your mind. They might say something like, well, so-and-so does it for less. Then why aren't you working with so-and-so? It's because they know they want you. They're just seeing if they can push the limits. This is a red flag. Don't fall for it. Walk away. Good luck, and don't accept less than you're worth. Okay? Follow for more tips for freelance copywriters.